Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the machine so your fixes succeed. Confirm Windows 7 Service Pack and ensure at least 2 GB free. Once done, disable third-party antivirus temporarily and create a system restore point so you can roll back. Next, enable crash dumps and set minidump or a full dump capture so you can analyze the failure. You need that dump to see which module crashes. Make sure you have admin rights and a USB or folder to save logs before continuing. You will now analyze the dump and act on the root cause. Open the DMP with WinDBG or debugging tools and identify the faulting module and stack trace. Once you know the culprit, update, reinstall, or roll back that driver or app. Driver mismatches are a common cause. Next, run System File Checker with sfc/scano to repair OS files and use replacement files from a clean source if needed. Also check Windows, update history and vendor advisories to apply precise fixes. Finish by restoring system protections. Re-enable antivirus, remove temporary tweaks, and reboot into normal mode so you can verify stability. You should reproduce the exact steps that previously triggered the crash while watching Event Viewer and Reliability History for errors. If the crash persists, collect a fresh dump, boot into safe mode, and perform a clean boot to isolate third-party conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: if diagnosing fails, use the fresh dump and safe mode evidence to escalate to vendor support with exact faulting module and timestamps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.